Since the late 1970s, it has been possible to construct a distributed data. We will be looking at the Distributed Database Management System. So what is a DDBMS, a Distributed Database Management System? Definition. So a distributed database management system governs the storage and processing of logically related data over interconnected computer systems in which both data and processing are distributed among several sites. A good example of distributed database management system is customer relationship management system used in the banking sector. DDBMS allows each bank branch to have its own copy of the most recent customer data. The bank's copy of the customer account information permits the bank to process each transaction locally, instead of sending it to a central server. This allows the bank to be operational even during the central server down times. There are two types of databases, namely homogeneous and heterogeneous database. Here is a brief definition of both. Homogeneous database: every site stores the database in the same way. Heterogeneous database: different sites may utilize different schema and software, which may cause issues with query processing and transactions. Data can be stored in different sites by using replication or fragmentation.
Well, in everything there are always pros and cons. Here are just brief advantages and disadvantages of the DDBMS, Distributed Database Management System. Advantages. 1. Growth facilitation: a new can be added to the network without affecting the operations at the other sites. 2. Faster data access, and users receive the nearest sorted subset of data faster. 3. Faster data processing: the workload is spread out throughout the distributed database system. The data is processed at several sites. 4. Improved communication: local sites are smaller and located closer to the customer, which improves communication. 5. Reduced operating costs: updating a mainframe is expensive, adding nodes to a network is more cost-effective. 6. User-friendly interface: user devices have easy-to-use GIS, which make the user experience easier. 7. Less danger of a single-point failure: because data is distributed among several sites, when one computer fails, another one picks up the workload. 8. Processor independence: copies of data is available for users to access. Requests from users are processed by any processor at the data location. 9. Data is located near the site of greatest demand: the data in a distributed database system is dispersed to match business requirements. Disadvantages. 1. Complex: the management and control of a DDBMS. 2. Technological difficulty. 3. Security: the chances of security failure increase when data is located at multiple sites. 4. Lack of standards: at the database level there are no standard communication protocols. 5. Increased storage and infrastructure requirements: additional space is required because multiple copies of data are needed at all the different sites. 6. Expensive: training costs are high, and DDBS require duplicate infrastructure to operate, which is not cost-effective.